Hey everyone, it's me, Missy. This is English for beginners. We will be learning the basics of English. This will help you to be able to have a basic conversation in English. If you are going to an English-speaking country, or if you have a friend who speaks English, this will definitely help you. Let's take a look at some sentences that you should memorize if you want to speak English. Let's get started. When is she coming? When is she coming? When is she coming? In about 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes. Let's go out. Let's go out. Let's go out. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. Yes. Let's put on a jacket. Yes, let's put on a jacket. Yes, let's put on a jacket. I need help. I need help. I need help. How can I help you? How can I help you? How can I help you? Where can I find the hospital? Where can I find the hospital? Where can I find the hospital? Let me find the address. Let me find the address. Let me find the address. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? It's $15. It's $15. It's $15. What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Yes. May I speak to the manager? Yes. May I speak to the manager? Yes. May I speak to the manager? I am sick. I am sick. I am sick. The pharmacy is down the street. The pharmacy is down the street. The pharmacy is down the street. Thanks. I need some medicine. Thanks. I need some medicine. Thanks. I need some medicine. These are really important things to know how to say in English. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Repeat it and watch it again so you're sure that you understood and can say all of these sentences. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Ciao, my favorite blabonitos.